Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video. If you didn't watch my first video, I'll put the link in the description box. In the first video, I mentioned what is an idiom along with 10 commonly used English idioms. In this video, I'm going to talk about the first idiom, break a leg. What? What does it mean? To break someone's leg? Oops. No. Then to wish someone good luck? Of course it is. How can it be used in utterances? You can use it in a casual and friendly way to wish someone good luck before his or her performance, event, or any circumstance. For example, a theatre director says to his crew, the curtain is about to go up. Break a leg, everyone. And a coach says, we've trained hard for this match. Get out there and break a leg, team. What Chatumi says? She says, I told my friend to break a leg before she faced the exam. A teacher says, good luck on your exam tomorrow. Break a leg, students. Father says, my daughter has a job interview today. She'll break a leg. This is the way you can use English idiom break a leg. Now it's your time to practice break a leg. Find and create more examples that you can use in your day-to-day conversations. In the next video, I'll come with the next idiom, hit the hay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Bye bye.